This video shows how to add a job. So to add a job, click on the jobs on the left-hand side, then choose Add Job, and then you're going to see a bunch of data fields here. Now, probably by the time you watch this, some of these will be optional or they may be adjusted somewhat, but this will give you an idea. So for the job code, some companies, especially for their bookkeeping purposes, they prefer to have a job code so that they can reference that in their books. So we'll just make one up for this purpose. And job title, this is just an example of a job. So say it's a plumbing company, so rough in bathroom for Mrs. Smith. And the description is where all of the work orders or details about the job go. So maybe all the supplies are already in the bathroom. And the job date that you like, so let's just schedule out a day out. The job time, you can choose the start time for that. And then the estimated hours is what's going to show up for how much time it shows up as being booked for that mobile worker. And the location. Now, as you type here, it's going to give you suggestions for the proper location. Just make sure you get the right one here, and you'll see on that map it will automatically give you that location to make sure it's correct. Now, the tags is an optional feature. You do not have to choose a tag when you're creating a job. However, it can be useful, and here's why. Let's say that certain jobs require special qualifications that only some of your staff have. So if that's the case, you can select a tag. For in this example, we're going to do, say, first aid certified. And if there's a certain job that can only have someone who's first aid certified, it's automatically going to filter out the workers that you can choose for that job. So all of these workers examples have the tag first aid certified. So we'll just choose, say, one person. But if you want to select more than one worker for this job, you can definitely do that. Just a tip on how to do that: if you're using a Mac, press the Command key as you're choosing someone else, just like that. And to deselect someone, again, just hold that Command key for Mac and press it again. And if you're using Windows or PC, just use the Control key for that. So we'll just press that. And so we've chosen two workers to assign the job to. I'm going to hit Save. Success, the green window here, and that's all there is to that. Now, what's going to happen is it's going to show up pretty much in real time on the mobile workers' devices. So within that device, they're going to click on Jobs, Notes, and Pictures, and then they're going to be able to see a list of all of their jobs here, and that's where that job will show up.